Hi, in front of me is REDMI Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy Protection over here. Following that, tap on All Permissions and click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like Camera. Now you need to pick one of your apps located under one of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with Chrome from Not Allowed section. Lastly, just click on the best option for you to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature just to access one of your apps that you wish to manage. I will go with microphone to access my messages. Now, instead of applying one of those options, scroll all the way down, click on See All Permissions at the bottom, and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!